Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to share with you a new haul from Dollar Tree, and these are craft supplies. I found these papers. These are 6x6 pattern paper, and you get 24 sheets, perfect for card making or if you make a small mini album. I'm going to show you all the colors. Look, these are just polka dot, and I'm going to begin at the bottom. Look, chocolate color. It comes two of each. This one is lighter, can you see? Then this again, this one is a little darker. This one is different too, it's more vibrant, so it's a lot of brown tones. Look, then you get this green, then this one which is kind of dark purple. This one is with a red tone, green, different kind of green. This is with a tone of blue, and this one which is dark brown. So you get all of these colors, 24 sheets, and these papers are thick, are like a regular scrapbooking paper. See, they are not as thick as cardstock, but it's not too light. See, so this is great, and you can look for this in the craft supplies. And I didn't see any other colors or patterns. See, then I checked the canvases and I found new shapes. Look at this. This is awesome. It's big. This one is a 10 by 10 size right here, from here. See, 10 by 10. And it's a canvas that has the shape of a heart. I want to make a mini album. That's why I brought two. And for sure, I will share that tutorial. And here is the back. See? So you have the heart shape. And I also found the hexagon shape. See? This is awesome for mini albums as well. I just want to play and use my papers from my stash, so I bought two, and the size of this is 10 by 10 as well. See, it's a big one. Then I found this one, and this is 8 by 8, 8 inches by 8 inches, and this is a black canvas, and perfect for making a book or a mini album. See, then I got the same in white. This is an 8 by 8, and I got it in white. Then I got this one. This is a canvas that is 8 by 10, and I like this canvas for albums. But I think I'm going to make some mixed media probably with this one. So I got two, and look what I found in the box with the canvases. This one is a DIY acrylic board. I got two. These are 8 by 10, so these are big ones. Look, 8 by 10. You can make many things with this one. Look, see, it's an acrylic piece, and look, it's thick. It's excellent for DIYs. And I was thinking for you to make a big stamp pad, but I don't know if this is too big. But let me know if you're interested. I can make a huge stamp pad, which is 8 by 10, or maybe I can use it for another DIY, see? And the last item that I found is this. The Dollar Tree that I went, they started putting stuff on the shelves that are $3 and $5. And I found this watercolor paper, which is $3, and it's acid free and it's heavyweight. The size is 8 by 10, and it comes 24 sheets, but this is the best. It's a 350 gram. 350 is almost like chipboard. Look, very, very thick. I can use this one for the cover of small albums, to make journals. Beautiful. The color is ivory, but it's very, very stiff. See? So I'm glad I found this one, and it comes 24. And you can use for anything, even for watercolor. If you want to use stamp something and use your watercolors and then cut it out, you can make embellishments. You can make so many things. So just take a look. $3 for this amazing paper. And one more item I forgot about. This I'm gonna show you. This one I found in the makeup section, see? And it's a Sassy and Chic, and it's mini powder puffs. It comes 4 pieces, and look, I'm gonna show you. When I saw it, I said this is perfect for my ink pads. Maybe if you want for when you travel, when you want to go out, you can take some with you. Look, it comes with a case. It comes with a case, and it comes 4 of these. Look how cute. See, it has right here the pad, and you can put your finger and then use the ink pad and distress. I love it. And as you can see, I bought 3 sets, each one $1.25. So this one is perfect, so I can share with my friends too. I was so happy to find all this new stuff. If you have any other ideas, let me know in the comments. I will be glad to create something using these items. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.